In this video, I'm going to update you about my progress. And before telling you how many courses I've completed, let's check how many minutes or hours I spent every single day of these 16 days. Okay, let's get into it. For the first 3 days, I did not spend any minutes doing the learning project. Starting from the 4th day, I've managed to spend 11 minutes. And until the 5th day, I managed to spend 1 hour and 45 minutes studying the learning projects. And for the next 5 days, I did not spend any minutes studying the learning project. And by the 11th day, I spent 2 hours and 24 minutes. Day 12, it was 12 minutes, and day 13, 25 minutes. Day 14, 0 minutes. Day 15, 44 minutes. And finally, we have day 16, in which I spent 1 hour and 34 minutes studying courses, right? As you can see, from the 16 days, there were only 7 days in which I dedicated or found time to do the learning projects. In total, I have invested 7 hours and 15 minutes. So by this time investment, I'm supposed to be tackling the 4th course. But that was not the case, actually. I was still stuck in the first course, and let me tell you why. My intention was simply review the flashcards that I've taken when it comes to this course, because I already took it before. So I did not see the point of going through every video. I was just telling myself that reviewing the notes was already enough. But when I was skimming the videos, or rather watching them at 2x speed, so I found myself very interested to redo some of those projects done by the instructor. And yeah, that's what made me spend 7.5 hours only to complete 99% of this course. And before telling you what was that 1% for, let me show you what I actually worked on. The first project was a magazine about the Sphinx cats, and here I would like to apologize for my dear range. You're still my favorite, but I'm secretly starting to think that Sphinx cats are more interesting. It is the Beerus effect, I guess. Most likely, yeah. Next, I made this Fruit Weekly newsletter. I really enjoyed making this one, but I know after finishing it, I realized that the bottom feels a bit off. Like, the 3 elements aren't well aligned, but due to shortness of time, I couldn't afford spending more time to refine that part of the design. Also, I worked on designing this brochure, and I really enjoyed the process of doing this. Anyways, finally, I had a 3-page book catalog featuring books published in 2026, covering the categories of self-help, business, and philosophy. Here are the 2 pages that I've actually designed. So since I was working on this catalog by the 10th day, I didn't have much time left to complete the 3rd page. That's why I said that I only completed the first course by 99%. The 1% was about designing the cover page of this catalog and the 3rd page, in which I'm going to share with you in the next update. So what needs to be done to finish the first part? I thought to myself that if I wanted to make up for the time that I have wasted, I need to spend at least 3 hours for 7 days in order to finish all the 3 courses and the first mini project. That's how I complete this first part. So I'll see you in the next update, which should be around 18th of July, I guess, or 19th July max. And hopefully by that time, I'll be sharing my plan to tackle the part 2 of the InDesign Product Creator. Thanks for watching, and if you're curious about starting this learning project yourself, and if you want to earn 1 free month on Skillshare to learn anything, not just the courses that I've included in my learning map, then please check my referral link, which can be found in the description box. So thanks for giving me your attention. I'll see you in the next update.